Hey, my name's Rocky Brewer with Clark & Company Roofing. I'm here to work on, try to repair Mr. Darrell Williamson's roof. Claim number 300-0549391-2025. Okay, this is the one we're going to try to repair. You can see the shingles missing the dragon's tooth. So we're just going to start by breaking the shingles loose. There's not much granules on most of these, and they're not stuck down super great. Alright, we got that free. Shingle ends right here. Alrighty. Just make sure we pop this out a little bit. That way we can get to the nail. Alright. This is the shingle we're getting out. Got the first nail. Alright, here's one. Two. Three. Dang. Alright, there's that one. This is right here. See that shingle's already starting to tear right there from being broken free. Yep, it's not right there. We should be good. Oop. Small right here. No, it's good. Okay. Huh. Oh, there it is. See that old shingle we got out right there? Oh. Got this thing right here. Huh. So this is a discontinued shingle, so that you can see that gap right there. That's normally not how architectural shingles look when they're butted up to one another, but that's quite a gap, and this is all it gets right here. So that's not a good look. Quite the gap, but it's alright. We're going to attempt to put this shingle nails back in. Right there by my foot. Alright. As you can see right here, this shingle has torn right above just from breaking it free. So that shingle is now damaged as well. I'm not lifting the shingles any more than what I need to just to get the nails out. Make sure you keep the camera on me. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and go back with it. Oh, that figures. I'm gonna hold these so I can work a little easier. Oh. Oh, darn, it's sick. Alright. Oh, sorry. Dropping everything. God. So good. This roof doesn't have much granules either, so I'm kindly sliding everywhere. Dang. Come on, man. Come on. not work, man. Nails no good. They're just folding up. Come on, man. Ah, dog. Snake is not helping at all.
Tilt it forward a little bit.
Popping right out. Shingle's tough, man. Not want to do it. Shingle is no joke. There we go. Got that one in. They started. Alright. Oh. The back is going out. Alright. So right here. Oh, well, right here. Yeah. You son of a gun, man. Alright, dog. Yeah, no joke. Oop, one in back. Lose that one too.
Grab this one and drop.
Yeah. Huh. Alrighty. One more. Now that shingle's torn right there as well. Just from trying to get the nails and popping the shingle free. That's 2 damaged shingles. Oh, dog. Come on, dog. One more. Oh. Alright. As you can see, this roof is very old. Granules are gone. The shingles have torn in multiple places. Multiple places. Just from breaking the shingle free, you can see the granule loss right here as well. This shingle is now damaged. The one above it is damaged as well from tearing of the shingle. The repair attempt has failed because the roof is so old and brittle and discontinued.
From the roof snake too.
Yeah.